Looking for a processor that balances power, efficiency, and versatility? The Intel Core i7-11700F offers exactly that. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this CPU is built to handle demanding applications smoothly, whether you're gaming, running servers, or juggling multiple virtual machines. Its advanced architecture delivers faster turbo boost speeds and improved onboard graphics performance, making it a standout choice for anyone wanting reliable speed without breaking the bank. What sets the i7-11700F apart is its 16 MB L3 cache, which quickly retrieves your most frequently used data to keep your system running efficiently. Built on a 14nm process, it strikes a great balance between performance and power consumption, so your setup stays cool and quiet even under heavy loads. One user shared how they used this CPU for a Proxmox server, running game servers and hosting websites simultaneously without a single hiccup. Thanks to Intel's virtualization technology, device pass-through is seamless, and with 8 cores plus hyperthreading, running multiple virtual machines becomes effortless. If you're considering a sub-$1,000 gaming or productivity build, the i7-11700F is worth a look. It delivers solid performance for around $600 total system cost, proving you don't need to spend a fortune to get a powerful, efficient processor. Whether you're upgrading your current rig or building fresh, this CPU offers what you get: dependable speed, multitasking muscle, and energy efficiency that matters. Try it when you're ready to elevate your computing experience without unnecessary extras.